Robotic arms constantly monitor the temperature and humidity within the enclosure, maintaining the precise conditions required for large-scale production.
This material, while unsuitable for the premium snack pack, is valuable for high-protein meal production, emphasizing the zero-waste industrial philosophy.
This verifies the effectiveness of the washing process, ensuring zero pathogens before roasting. These foods
The perfectly seasoned Locusta Migratoria travel on the mesh belt toward the massive forced air convection oven.
Final inspection complete, ready for roasting.
Acknowledged. Looks good. Carry on.
The seasoned Locusta Migratoria enter the intense environment of the forced air convection oven, where high-velocity hot air immediately... Internal moisture extraction, Process A. A specialized sensor array monitors the rate of moisture loss.
Here at the texture analysis station, a specialized sensor quantifies the crispness, ensuring every batch meets our strict standards for optimal texture.
The roasted Locusta Migratoria are gently elevated via inclined conveyor into the stainless steel hopper.
rolls of high barrier film, pre-printed with the Locusta branding, are automatically loaded. The film is then
Fillers. The multi-head filler precisely measures the correct weight of roasted Locusta Migratoria. The speed and accuracy
Each sealed Locusta premium roast snack pack travels through an automated pressure sensor and leak detection system. The snack packs move under a high-speed laser printer, applying the batch code. Simultaneously, a robotic arm
process. The second.
Smoothly and efficiently, the AGV transports the freshly wrapped pallets into the dedicated dry storage warehouse, completing Process A. The industrial tote containing the Locusta Migratoria remnants is automatically lifted and inverted. The frozen material drops heavily into the
The freshly micronized chitin meal powder is pneumatically transferred into a large fluid bed dryer. The powder
Process B.
This is the Pro Meal shipment. Manifest says 20 pallets.
Confirmed. Everything matches the manifest.
Process B ensures the safe transit of the intended.
With production complete, the Insect Pro Meal begins its journey, symbolizing the vital link between our automated factories and the global market. The blended feed material, now containing the processed protein, is forced through the extruder, transforming the powder into a dense, finished product.
Upon arrival, the specialized feed, derived from the Locusta Migratoria, is transferred into the highly
The leghorns thrive on the insect promeal enriched feed, the final step in a truly circular industrial process.
The processed Locusta migratoria chitin meal provides essential nutrients, promoting rapid growth and health in these Atlantic salmon.
The structural integrity is holding steady at 95 megapascals.
Excellent. The bioprinter handled the viscosity perfectly.
The key benefit of Process B is the sustainable output, transforming remnants into high-grade
organic food.
In Spain, the data confirms the economic viability of the insect promeal.
Absolutely. This sustainable ingredient is critical.
With Insect Pro Meal, utilizing refined locust remnants for a thriving, sustainable garden has never been easier.